Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says find the circumference of a circle that has a radius of 9 meters. And we're going to use 3.14 as the approximation for pi. So I can draw a picture to help visualize this. I'm going to have a circle, and it's going to have a radius of 9 meters. Remember, the radius is the distance from the center to the outside edge, and that's going to be 9 meters. I want to find the circumference. Remember, the circumference is just the distance around the outside edge of a circle, and I actually have two formulas I can use. Circumference of a circle is equal to pi times the diameter, or circumference of a circle is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. Since 2 times the radius is equal to the diameter, those are really the same formulas. Since I'm given a radius in the problem, I'm going to use the second formula. Circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. And now I can substitute. Circumference is equal to 2. My approximation I'm told to use for pi is 3.14. And I have a radius in this problem of 9. And so all I have to do is multiply, if I punch into a calculator, 2 times 3.14 times 9, the circumference of this circle will equal 56.25 meters.